Hi, and welcome to this tutorial. I'm Alex from PrimeDash. And today I'll show you how to manually add expenses in PrimeDash. By the end of this video you will be able to manually add expenses, create multiple types of expenses, and manage the expenses for your company in your PrimeDash Decision Maker account. So let's start adding some expenses. If you want to manually add expenses into PrimeDash, start by clicking the data upload icon. Select how your data is structured. Then select a starting period. Finally, click on Proceed. Now, from the pop-up, select Manual. And then Proceed. Here, click on Expenses. And then go to the red plus button next to Expense Type, to add an expense. There are 6 types of expense categories you can add in PrimeDash. Click on the arrow next to the newly created expense, to expand the drop-down menu, and choose a category from the following: COGS or cost of goods sold, overhead expenses, labor expenses, other expenses, tax amount, and tax percentage. You can add as many expenses as you need for each of these categories. After choosing an appropriate category for your expense, go under Expense Name and rename your expense. For example, here, we'll call this one Packaging. Now add in the amount you want for packaging by editing the field next to Amount Name, marked with 0 by default. You can also adjust the number entered here by using the up and down arrows next to it. You can use the Add Period button to add as many periods as you need for the newly created expense. Deleting expenses is really easy. Just click on the delete icon next to the expense name. For deleting periods, use the red wrench icon next to the period name, and click on Delete Period from the drop-down menu. That's all you need to know about manually adding expenses for your company. Now you can manually add expenses for a company in PrimeDash, create multiple types of expenses for your company, and manage expenses for the companies in your PrimeDash Decision Maker account. Thank you for watching this video. Start your journey to financial success with PrimeDash.